Hi there, welcome to JAMB Physics 2020 question 7. As you can see beside 1987 question. Okay, that says it all. These questions are being repeated. Without further ado, let us go into the question. 22,000 joule of heat is required to raise the temperature of 1.5 kilogram of paraffin from 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Calculate the specific heat capacity of paraffin. Remember that in the previous question we made use of the formula heat capacity. Q equals mc times the rise or changes in temperature. Okay, good. So now we're going to input the given values in the question. Okay, the heat capacity as given in the question is what? 22,000 joule, correct? Okay, then for the mass given in the question, 1.5 kg times the heat capacity that we're looking for. Then the change in temperature from 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. What is the difference? 10 degrees Celsius. Good. To solve for C, we solve further. So now we have this times this will give us 15. Okay, so we're going to divide both sides by 15. So we're going to have 22,000 to be divided by 15. And if we punch that in the calculator, I want you to do that. What did you get? Good. 1,466 joule per kilogram per Kelvin or per degree Celsius as the unit given in the given option. So we can see that the answer option A is the right answer. Please, if this is your first time of coming to my channel, kindly click on the red subscribe button and the notification bell, and please do give this video a like. It goes a long way in helping other people to discover the videos of this channel and some other interesting videos which you too might have or need to discover. Always make sure you go to the description. You will get to see links to other videos on other subjects. In fact, just check the description. You will see link to my previous videos, length of videos. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next question.